Indonesia has more than 4,800 kilometers of rail across the island of Java. And in 2023, the Indonesian government has introduced several new train cars to inspire luxurious train travel across the country. Come along with Ronnie and I as we travel from Semarang's Tawang Station to Indonesia's capital city of Jakarta on the Brawijaya Imperial Luxury Train. We're Ronnie and Jeremy, and we're digital nomads traveling to every country in the world. We've been on the rails and in the air for the past 3 years, bringing you our unbiased reviews on travel destinations across the globe. After spending most of 2023 in South America, we're always looking forward to more adventures on every continent. And, as always, we hope you'll come along with us for the ride, because you don't have to be a Kentuckian to travel with us, you just gotta have fun. Salamat sore, YouTube fam, and welcome back to the channel. Ronnie and I are ready to go back to Semarang's Tawang Station here in central Java because we have another overnight luxury train scheduled on the Brawijaya Imperial Train over to Indonesia's capital city of Jakarta. And as always, if you want to ride on the rails with us, then come along with us. Let's go. Our travel adventure day begins here at the Safin Hotel in central Java in the late hours of the afternoon. Ronnie and I hired a Grab taxi ride from the town of Pati, which is 72 kilometers away from Semarang's Tawang Station, for only $33 US. The Grab taxi ride from Pati to Semarang took about 3 hours, including local traffic, but we still had several hours to spare and relax at Semarang's Tawang Station. And we hope you enjoy the sunset scenery from Pati and Kudus on our way to Semarang's Old Dutch Colonial Quarter. Once we arrived in Semarang, we got to experience the remainder of the Christmas decor in the Old Dutch Colonial Quarter before arriving at Semarang's Tawang Station. And we highly recommend visiting Semarang's Old Dutch Colonial Quarter the next time that you visit the city. This is a great walking area with plenty of people watching and plenty of reliable restaurants. And Ronnie and I would like to welcome you to Tawang Station, located in the Old Dutch Colonial Quarter of Semarang. Once we arrived at Tawang Station, Ronnie and I used the KAI kiosk to print our boarding passes for our train. We were also fortunate to have access to the KAI Luxury Lounge at Tawang Station, which is only available to passengers riding in luxury train cars. And of course, the KAI Luxury Lounge had plenty of comfortable seats, snacks and drinks, as well as a private restroom for luxury train passengers. And since Tawang Station is located in the old Dutch colonial quarter of Semarang, it makes sense that the train station's architectural structure matches the new Indie style that was completed on June 1st, 1914. After enjoying a snack in the lounge, I decided it was time to explore the railside waiting area at Tawang Station, which luxury train passengers have direct access to through the luxury lounge. And since Ronnie and I had several hours to wait for our night train to Jakarta, we had plenty of time to explore Tawang Station. And finally, after several hours of waiting at Tawang Station in the lounge and around the railside waiting area, it was finally time for Ronnie and I to move to the track as our luxury train was pulling into the station. And welcome on board the Brawijaya Imperial Luxury Train car with 20 reclining seats in a 1-2 configuration. Immediately you will notice these plush leather reclining seats have blankets waiting at the seat. Not only do these luxury seats recline to 130 degrees, they also include built-in tray tables and local power supplies. And if you're still with us on this adventure train trip as we leave Semarang's Tawang Station, we invite you to do us a solid and hit that thumbs up like button and subscribe to our channel. That is one of the best ways that you can support our work and keep us on the rails and in the air. And as soon as our luxury train began rocking back and forth on the rails, Ronnie decided to go into recline mode as I decided to go and explore the lavatories. And as you can see, the lavatory on the luxury train car had plenty of space and comfort, and it was kept clean and stocked with supplies for the entire trip to Jakarta. We have commented on these KAI blankets in previous review videos for KAI trains, and we will say it again here that these blankets are cozy and comfortable, and they will definitely keep you warm on an overnight train trip. We would also like to remind you that all snacks and meal services on KAI luxury trains are included, and here are a few goodies that we received before our dinner service on the Brawijaya Imperial Luxury Train. This luxury train car also features television screens, a mini bar, overhead storage compartments, and reading lights. And here is a full walkthrough of one of the executive class train cars, which are equipped with 50 partially reclining seats in a 2-2 configuration. We have several executive class review videos on different Indonesian trains that we will link in this video. And here is a look inside one of the executive class train car lavatories. As you will notice, it is not as posh as the lavatory inside the luxury train car. And one of my favorite places on any train is the cafe dining car. And the dining car on the luxury train is quite comfortable and spacious enough for a long trip across Java. This cafe dining car is one of our favorites on Indonesian trains because of the comfortable booth seating and the number of unblocked windows that lets plenty of natural light into the train car. But it was eventually time to return to the luxury train car, where Ronnie was exploring the amenities at our seats while we waited for the meal service to begin. And as Ronnie and I are waiting for the meal service, this is a great time to remind you to check out the referral links in the description of our video. We keep those referral links in the description of all our videos, and they're guaranteed to help you travel better in the future. The dinner meal service on this late night train ride to Jakarta consisted of fried fish and spicy sambal sauce, accompanied by white rice, fried corn, vegetables, and tofu. And as per usual, the food on this KAI luxury train was piping hot and delicious. And as soon as Ronnie and I finished our dinner, it was time to pull down the window shades and try to block out the bright overhead lights above our seats. The rest of the night included Ronnie and I rocking in and out of sleep on the rails as our luxury train made its arrival into Jakarta's Gambir Station in the early hours of the morning before sunrise. And if you're thinking about booking a luxury seat on the Brawijaya Imperial Luxury Train car, the current cost is approximately $73 US. And Ronnie and I would like to welcome you to Jakarta's Gambir Station, located in the center of Indonesia's capital city. As always, it was enjoyable to experience Gambir Station and Jakarta in the morning calm before sunrise as we made our way over to our accommodations at the Marriott Sari Pacific Hotel in Tamrin, near the center of Jakarta. And welcome to the Marriott Sari Pacific Hotel in Tamrin, which will only cost you about 17,000 Marriott Bonvoy points per night. And of course, we highly recommend Marriott Bonvoy Elite status, which once again got us this free upgrade to this executive suite at the Sari Pacific Hotel. In addition, Marriott Bonvoy Elite status also comes with access to executive lounges and free breakfast at all Marriott properties. But as we leave you at the Marriott Sari Pacific Hotel in Jakarta, we would like to invite you to do us a solid and hit that thumbs up like button and share this video with all your friends on all those social media channels. And if you enjoy world travel content and riding on the rails around the globe wherever we go, please subscribe to our channel and check that notification bell so you know when our new videos are uploaded every week. But remember, you don't have to be a Kentuckian to travel with us. You just gotta have fun. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep on keeping on. Cheers.